Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check someone's like on Instagram. So I will have to just open the Instagram app and I will just random profile open anyone to see someone's likes. So this is the page of someone. So how I will know the likes? So I will just click to their followers. So you will see I will only see like this, but if I click to browser, someone has liked on their Instagram profile. So you will see that get out first. Instagram doesn't allow you to specially see what someone has liked on their platform. People can like, post, video stories and other content, but there is no way to see that activity in a list. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.